OMG, on a minute of gratitude for life. As I walk this beautiful path of life, I whisper, thank you, thank you, thank you to every bit of my being. Gratitude for this present moment where I cherish for being chosen. Gratitude for each breath I take that fills me with joy. The joy of not just surviving, but for being alive. Gratitude for my body as its strength enables me to live my life king size. Thank you for my past, present, future, and eternity. Thank you, thank you, thank you.